How to fix monitor going black randomly. In this video, I will show you how can you easily deal with the issue of your monitor going black randomly. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, firstly go to Start menu and type Screensaver Setting. After that, click on Change Screensaver and a small dialog box will appear where you need to choose the option of None in Screensaver. After that, you need to click on Change Power Setting. When you click on it, a new dialog box will appear and there you need to click on Change Plan Setting beside the Balance Recommended option. Here, you need to choose the timing of Turn off the display to Never. Also choose the Never option for Put the computer to sleep. Then click on Save Changes and you're good to go. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end.